Soul of Christ, sanctify me. Body of Christ, save me. Water from the side of Christ, wash me. Passion of Christ, give me strength. Hear me, Jesus, hide me in thy wounds, that I may never leave thy side. From all the evil that surrounds me,